Hello and welcome everyone to the Recreate Packaging 2021 Award Competition. And this is the most exciting part of the award ceremony today, and that's why we are all here.
Without further ado, let's go on to the prizes. And in third place, it is Loop for the Infinitive Packaging Solution. So fantastic team contribution here.
Okay, of course, we want to thank you for the opportunity to participate. And then winning this award for us means that we are on the right path to make a better world as designers using our skills and knowledge. Thank you.
So second prize goes to the shirt packaging of Schmidt & Schmidt from Germany. Fantastic creation here for us shirt working folk, really innovative.
That's why that actually the idea was just they're practical. They're just to reduce the plastic in these shorts. Thank you very much. We are very excited and overwhelmed.
So it gives me great honour on behalf of all my fellow judges for the first prize going to Flat Bowl. Absolutely fantastic innovation. The simplicity, the versatility, it really took us back as a judging team, because it was the simplicity of the idea that was a clear winner.
I want to say thanks to Stora Enso for being the only design contest that truly support the new ideas of the students and independent designer as me, making enormous effort to sending all your sample kits with the incredible materials that I know that they open a real option to build a sustainable world for everyone. Thank you very much. I'm so proud.
So I'd like to congratulate the winners. You've done fantastic work, and also I want to thank all the participants for your efforts. This is significantly important and inspirational to us, because we see how our product or material is converted into solutions.